Did you know that buying a luxury car after its warranty expires could save you thousands of dollars? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let me prove it to you. A 2012 BMW 5 Series in Texas, with nearly 300,000 miles, has fewer repairs than a Toyota Corolla and still runs smoother than most new cars. Today, I'll be walking you through a list of 9 of the most reliable luxury cars you can own without the need for a warranty. Let's check out these amazing options, and don't miss one on the list. Not only reliable, but only gets better with time. Number 1. Lexus GS 350F Sport. The Lexus GS 350F Sport is one of the rare luxury sedans that actually improves with time. With a 3.5L V6 naturally aspirated engine, this car is built to last, like a marathon runner, stable, reliable, and never tiring. When you pair this engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the car continues to offer a smooth driving experience even after hundreds of thousands of miles. And here's something unique. Instead of creaky noises, the leather seats get softer, the suspension falls into place, and the entire car offers a luxury feel that few other brands can match. This helps the Lexus GS 350F Sport retain its value exceptionally well. If you find a 5 to 6-year-old model, you can comfortably drive this car for another 10 to 15 years without facing the common issues luxury cars usually have. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz S550. The Mercedes-Benz S550. This car isn't just a symbol of luxury, it's a success story following a series of earlier failures. With the W222 generation, Mercedes proved that luxury cars can be both durable and luxurious. The redesigned twin-turbo V8 engine was engineered with longevity in mind, focusing not just on performance, but on durability. The air suspension system, which once gave many owners headaches, has been improved to be incredibly reliable. With support from independent Mercedes specialists, you can maintain this car without worrying about expensive dealership repairs. This means you can enjoy top-tier luxury without being hit with the steep costs you once feared. Number 3. Acura TLX. The Acura TLX is often overlooked, but it's the perfect choice for those who want a luxury car without worrying about expensive repairs. With a 3.5L V6 engine, this car is incredibly reliable and can easily run for hundreds of thousands of miles without significant issues. The reality is, the value of the TLX depreciates quickly in its early years, but that's exactly the opportunity for those looking to buy used. You can own a well-equipped TLX with luxury features for the price of a new Corolla. And most importantly, because Acura parts are highly compatible with Honda models, the maintenance and repair costs of the TLX are quite reasonable. This is a luxury car you can maintain for the long haul without the risk of unexpected expenses. Number 4. Genesis G80. The Genesis G80 is the car that has engineers at BMW and Mercedes worried. While traditional competitors struggle with maintenance costs, the Genesis G80 offers comfort and performance without the need for expensive repairs. With a 3.8L V6 engine, the G80 is powerful yet incredibly durable. The paint job and suspension components are made to last, ensuring that this car retains its luxurious appearance and smooth performance. Whether you own this car for 5 years or 10, the G80's value will remain steady, and you won't spend much on maintenance. A luxury car that won't stress you out when it comes to repairs. Number 5. Volvo S60/V60. The Volvo S60 and V60 wagon are luxury cars that aren't often mentioned, but they're incredibly reliable. There's no complicated technology, just durability and efficiency. The 2.0L turbocharged engine and the interior details of a Volvo are built to withstand the test of time, even through harsh winters. The key strength of the S60 and V60 is the longevity of their components. The suspension system, engine, and interior are all crafted to last, meaning you won't have to worry about high maintenance costs. Their value drops rapidly in the early years, but then stabilizes, making these cars a solid choice. Number 6. BMW 550i. The BMW 550i proves that brands can learn from their mistakes. The later versions of the 550i not only keep their excellent performance, but also avoid the major issues seen in earlier models. The 550is twin-turbo V8 engine offers impressive power, while the ZF8 speed transmission provides a smooth, reliable driving experience. You'll find plenty of independent BMW service shops that can maintain your car for much less than what a dealership would charge. Number 7. Lincoln MKZ. The Lincoln MKZ is the kind of luxury car most people ignore, and that's exactly why it's one of the smartest post-warranty buys out there. While everyone else was chasing German sedans that came with four-figure repair bills, Lincoln quietly built a mid-size luxury sedan on a platform that simply works well. Under the hood, you'll usually find a 3.7L V6 or the optional 2.0L EcoBoost engine. Neither is exotic, but both are proven workhorses borrowed from Ford's mainstream lineup. Translation: parts are cheap, independent shops can fix them easily, and you won't be held hostage by the dealership. Depreciation is where the MKZ shines. A $45,000 luxury sedan drops to half that in just a few years, then levels off. That means the second owner gets leather, tech features, and a whisper-quiet ride for the price of a new Honda Accord. Lincoln also delivers reliability, value, and comfort long after the warranty fades, without the German repair drama. Number 8. Acura MDX. If you've ever wanted a luxury SUV that acts more like a long-distance marathon runner than a drama queen, the Acura MDX is it. While German rivals stuff their cars with fragile electronics and flimsy air suspensions, Acura stuck to what has been proven. The 3.5L V6 engine in the MDX has a reputation for being nearly indestructible. It's the same kind of engine Honda has used in minivans and sedans for decades. Engines that routinely hit 250,000 miles with little more than oil changes and timing belt replacements. Paired with Acura's all-wheel drive system, you get year-round usability without the repair bills. The interior is also built to last. The leather ages gracefully, the electronics are straightforward, and the seats remain supportive. The best part? Depreciation hits the MDX hard in the first few years, but then it stabilizes. This means you can get a $55,000 luxury SUV for under $25,000. With maintenance costs closer to a Honda Pilot than a BMW X5, the MDX is proof that luxury doesn't have to be fragile. Number 9. Porsche Panamera S. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Porsche Panamera S. This is what happens when a brand famous for sports cars decides to build something practical and refuses to compromise. Porsche took the DNA of the 911, stretched it into a four-door, and the result is one of the most reliable luxury sedans of the last decade. The naturally aspirated and supercharged V6 and V8 engines in these models are true workhorses. Porsche tested them to extremes that would make even commercial jet engines blush. The result is a drivetrain that just won't quit. Add the PDK dual-clutch gearbox, which is known for being nearly bulletproof, and you have a setup that combines the excitement of a sports car with long-haul durability. The best part? Depreciation devastates these cars. A Panamera S that once stickered at $140,000 can now be found for around $50,000. That's like buying supercar engineering with family practicality for the price of a mid-size SUV. And unlike some German rivals, independent Porsche specialists can keep these cars running without dealership ransom prices. If you want a car that can haul groceries on Monday and embarrass sports cars on Saturday, the Panamera S is the perfect reminder that sometimes practicality and passion can truly live in the same garage. So, as you can see, owning a luxury car doesn't always mean you'll have to deal with high maintenance and repair costs. The luxury cars I've shared today, from the Lexus GS 350F Sport to the Audi Q5, are all reliable and durable choices that help you save money while still enjoying a modern, luxury experience. Remember, looking for a well-maintained used car can save you a lot of money. A luxury car can last a long time with proper care, and sometimes it even becomes more reliable than a new car in the same segment. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on cars. And feel free to share this video with friends who are also looking for a reliable luxury car. See you in the next video. Lastly, always remember that buying a car is not just about the brand or initial price. Sometimes a well-maintained used luxury car can be the smartest and most economical choice. I hope you find the car you love and drive safely.